So the last one that we're going to do is antithesis. Let me write the word out for you. And with this one, what I'm looking for is a sentence or a phrase where two very contrasting ideas are set against each other. We say fire and ice as an example. If you take a picture and you put side by side fire and a picture of ice, that is the idea of antithesis. But in writing, we use it because we're trying to draw the reader's attention to how far that gap is, and that it's used to create a lot of times an emotional response. Because you don't really have, it's not either or. There's a whole gray area, but when you do antithesis, you're taking that gray area away. You're saying either you're going to do this or this is going to happen. And the power is in the difference. It doesn't have to be two things that are like a dog and a cat. It can also be ideas, or it can even be the emotional connotation of the word. So something that's really, really good versus something that makes you feel angry. A lot of times also is used in this way. And so let's look at this one together. Is life so dear, or peace so sweet, as to be purchased at the price of chains and slavery? Now, most of you are going to read this. You're going to see this question mark right here, and this is as far as you're going to go. Well, there's a question mark, therefore this must be a rhetorical question. Well, yes, it is a rhetorical question. However, a sentence can be multiple rhetorical devices at one time. And so as it is, this one has an additional one in it. And what I see is peace, all right? Peace so sweet. And when we're saying that, we're thinking of, how it kind of gives you this idea of sweet peace, where, it's a powerful yet good feeling, okay? And then he's going to jump down to the loaded words of chains and slavery, which are both very negative colored words. If you think about it, if someone is in a slavery, they're not going to have peace. That's not a peaceful position. So in a way, it is an opposite. And so this is an example of antithesis. They're saying, is peace so sweet that you're willing to allow yourself to become a slave and be chained, and they are very, very opposites. And the idea that the longing and the clinging for one could lead you to do something that is the exact opposite. So that's antithesis. So we're looking for two things that are very, very opposite of each other. Now it's your turn. Go back and find an example of antithesis.